Alright, Tuesday, March 18th. I think so. Yeah. Pretty nice day. Sun, blue skies, probably 20-mile-an-hour breeze, 15. So this will be the first time we're opening this up for the season. Snow's gone. Got a couple of boards I could rip on the table saw, but I think I'm just going to put on the sawmill, and then we can go finish up a project on the trail. Well, we ripped one board, so we got 4.5 by 69, and this one already existed, 6 inches by 69. That's the cutoff. I ripped this one to 4. I have to put an angle on it. It was so uneventful that I just put it on there and I went and I closed it up and I didn't video anything. Now that's a good day when things flow so much that you don't even take a break to put a camera up. Alright, things just going. We got the wood, the supply, put it on RX-73. We're headed that way. It is pretty wet out today. Alright, we popped out those. That's the one going in. And let's get it set in. Alright, so you filled that. Took that piece, put it here so you can kind of see it has like a little lip. Maybe see it better over here. And then we did the same thing on this side, put a little lip. Maybe you can see it better from the side. Yeah, put a little lip on it. And then we've got that one down there. So let's see how she runs.